car you drive? Smoke look like he gonna pass out.
Oh, won't you? Be like a one-man gangbang.
I'm on,
all around you.
We gotta talk about it.
We all gotta talk about it. They was going for sweet.
How you supposed to know that?
DJ,
You know
I
what
want
people
you
are
right.
like.
Thanks, man.
Say they have
Appreciate
love
that.
for you, but won't say a word. Too damn scared.
Some people say they saw a green Sabre doing the work, then speeding away.
Hit it, go, go, go! Hit the gas, we got an ice these niggas.
Why you ain't blasting, Smoke?
I'll shoot him when I'm done eating.
Quit stuffing your motherfucking mouth. Let's go.
I ain't stuffing
Man,
him.
what's your
I'm
problem?
enjoying my meal. I killed her asshole. Oh, shit, this is a great sound.
Move it, CJ.
Smoke, stop stuffing your face and start popping them balls.
I'm trying to enjoy my food.
And those fools are trying to enjoy our death. Now come on,
Beat
Smoke.
up a little,
Shoot.
Hey, I'm just finishing my fries. My special.
Oh shit,
Stab out of here,
catch up all over the seat.
The business at hand, motherfucker. The business at hand.
But these was clean pins. DJ, watch the damn road.
Chill,
Aw,
motherfucker.
man.
This ain't a Sunday drive situation.
My soda, it's all over the fucking floor.
Well, you can suck it up once we're done. Now keep your eyes on the baller car.
What are you doing?
Let's roll! Move it, CJ. Speed it up a little, we sitting.
Come on, CJ, earn your keep. Damn, that was some serious shit.
Yeah, man, those baller fools won't try that again. So let's get back to the grove.
All right, I'm on.
Oh, man. That food filled the hole.
You hit, chubby motherfucker. Next time you better start blast or I'ma blast you myself.
Hungry for something.
Smoke you wide, man. I mean, wide.
Zebra Bar.
And that's why you love me, baby.
It's fun to try. It's half smooth white milk chocolate, and the other half is deep dark chocolate.
Wow, it's enormous.
How about cream filling?
That too. Put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
For whichever side you crave, pick up a Zebra Bar and let the chocolate melt
name
in
are you
your
doing?
mouth. Too bad it ain't TV, or you would see me. Re-rocking of a rock star, y'all. The Funktopus on Bounce FM. Bounce your ass over here and get some of this.
That's one up for the grove.
Say what, Smoke? All you managed to do was eat my damn food up.
Yeah, it was getting cold.
Y'all coming in for a beer?
Nah, baby. I need to get back to the crib.
What was with you back there, Smoke?
Man, if you can eat your food while everybody else is losing theirs and blaming you, you straight, homie.
What?
Nothing. Just some poetry I read.
Hey, Smoke, tell me why you moved out the grove.
Got some money from my aunt. I mean, it's a nice place and all. The Grove is in my heart, baby. It's with my dogs and stuff.
Yeah, okay, homie.
Thanks, Carl. Hey, I miss having you around, baby.
Thanks, man. I wish Sweet thought like that.
He don't mean it, CJ. He's still real tore up about your moms, man. Here, get yourself a little smoky smoke on smoke and relax, homie.